Wow, take a look at this beauty we have here. 1996 Pontiac Trans Am WS6. And this is a well taken care of, clean one. This particular car is powered by a 5.7 liter underneath the hood. That in 1996 put out 305 horse from the factory, but more impressive yet, 335 foot-pounds of torque. Remember, that car is 23 years old and it does not show. The only paint work that has been done to this car, cosmetic wise, was this front fascia. Was starting to show a few rock chips and age and what have you. So the previous owner had it painted by his local GM dealer. Matches up beautifully. Other than that, pretty darn clean car, especially considering the age. Although it only has a little over 38,000 miles on it. So very low mile example of a Trans Am WS6. Go ahead, check out the underside pictures of this, the interior, the engine bay. I want you to see how clean it is. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, you can give us a call, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can help you out with the transportation to where you're located at. Now, not only is this thing just beautiful and in great condition, the upkeep and the maintenance on it, I'm going to run down some of the things the previous owner did just to give you an idea. I had a little problem with fuel pressure. Did some diagnostics and it needed a fuel pump. If you're familiar with these at all, to get to the fuel pump, it isn't in the tank. To get it out of the tank, you need to drop the exhaust, lower the rear diff some, and then you can pull the tank and get the fuel pump out and have it replaced. That has been done. That's about an $1,100 bill right there. It was done within the past month. Rubber in this car, less than 1,500 miles on the tires, and they were put on 2 years ago approximately, so fresh tires. Some of the other things, rear shocks were replaced July 2019. Crankshaft sensor seal had a little bit of a seep. Previous owner wanted that fixed. They replaced the O-ring June of 2019. Oil pan gasket also replaced May of 2019 because it's starting to seep. The battery was replaced 3 years ago. Battery's good in it. Crank sensor, June of 2018 was replaced. So as far as if you're looking for a car, get in, turn the key and go, here you go. Very, very well taken care of. Trans Am WS6. WS6, by the way, stood for Wide Stance 6. The 6 stood for what firmed this up and helped with the performance of it, so it's kind of a performance package. The 6 stood for 4 firmer springs and 2 sway bars, hence the 6. A little thicker sway bar front and rear, but take a look up and down the side of this car. No real dings, scratches, anything's real noticeable. You check out the wheels, you don't see the road rash. The other thing you don't notice is the weights on the outside, where you'd start to get the corrosion. If you're a fussy buyer and you're looking for an extremely nice car, here you go. Don't be afraid to give us a call. Like I said, 507-386-1726. And of course, once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look at this interior while we're looking at it. I should have showed you the passenger seat because it hardly looks like anybody sat in it. Door cards. GM, still the original floor mats. Look at this seat. Very, very little wear on it. Take a look at the passenger side. Like I said, it doesn't hardly look like anybody has sat on it. Rear seats also like new. The other thing I noticed when I took out the T-tops, is I have the glass T-tops, so you can take a look at this. Look at the gaskets and how clean this is up here. No, these do not leak. Look at that. Steering wheel controls all work. Equalizer. Everything working on the interior. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Oops. As you can see, that 5.7 liter underneath the hood is paired with an automatic transmission, so you don't have to worry about shifting on this one. I'm going to click on the lights here so you can see it. Check out, of course, the Pontiac red. This makes you think we build excitement, doesn't it? 38,786 it looks like for miles on it. See, there's no warning indicators, no check engine lights, anything like that, just the seat belt because I'm not sitting in it, so I lean over and show everybody. Lighting all good. Factory stereo system. Wow. About as close to off the showroom floor as I think you could get for a 20-some-year-old car. Around to the back. No crazy exhaust, just a stock sounding WS6. Here's a little bonus for you too. The sunshades that go in the T-tops, both right here, don't appear that they've ever been installed. Here's where you'd stick the kind of the Velcro on the glass part, and then the Velcro would peel off and stick on the top. Here's the directions. If I don't know what I'm talking about, I'll include the directions. And why not a car cover? Car cover will be in the trunk of it also. Some extra bonuses for you. There is a window sticker for this car. Check out the still pictures. Once again, still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, you can call us. The number once again, 507-386-1726. As you can see, the headlights flipped up when I turned it on. Hit the light so you can see them. I'm also going to go ahead and pop this hood so you can check out how clean this engine bay is. It's just immaculate. I'm going to pause the video here a second. Let me get the hood popped. All right, there you go. That air cold intake. Actually, most people like the looks of the front of these better than even the late model ones. It's just a little more sleeker, a little more aerodynamic. The 96s start to get into the 02s and what have you. There's a 5.7 liter underneath there. As you can hear, AC compressor is kicking on and off. AC does blow cold. Of course, power steering, power brakes. There you have it, the engine bay. Take a look underneath that hood. That's saying this. One of the nicer examples of a 96 WS6 I have ever come across. Once again, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation to where you're located at. Little over 38,000 miles. It has a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Like I said, the front fascia was painted the factory color just because of some rock chips and what have you. Other than that, no paintwork. No accidents, clean Carfax. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. And of course, the website, check out all the still pictures, check out the other side of this car, uniqueclassiccars.com.